Y'all, if you didn't know, today is National Condom Day, and today I'm going to show you how we at Goddard recommend that you put on a condom. So to start off, we're going to grab our condom wrapper, give it a squeeze to make sure there's a little air bubble, check around to make sure there's no obvious tears or holes, and then we're going to check the expiration date. Here you can see that this condom expires in 2024, so we should be good to go. Now we're going to open it up with our fingers. Don't cut this, don't tear it with your teeth, make sure you open it with your fingers. Now you're going to roll the condom down a couple times just to make sure it's rolling down well. You're going to pinch the tip and then roll the condom down the penis, making sure you're leaving a little bit of room at the top. Roll it all the way down, and there you go. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to teach you how to insert an internal condom. So we have these for free at Goddard if you're interested in trying them out. And just like with an external condom, you want to check the expiration date and then make sure you're opening it with your fingers alone. So now this is what the internal condom looks like. It's kind of just like a bigger version of the external condom. And inside there's this removable silicone ring. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold this ring, and then you're going to insert it through the vulva and into the vagina, just like this, and then push it all the way back until it's leaning up against the cervix, and then you're going to make sure you hold it open while you're inserting the penis. And that's how you use an internal condom. And when you're done and you need to remove it, you can just twist it and then pull it out like this. And you're all set. Okay, everybody, now that we've talked about internal and external condoms, I'm going to show you what a dental dam looks like and how you can use that. So a dental dam looks like this, and this is just a barrier method that you can use for oral sex. And to use it, all you do is you open it up, and then you're just going to hold it over the vaginal opening like this. And you can actually make your own dental dam if you don't have one like this, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a condom like this one. Any condom you have works as long as it's unused. And you're going to unroll it all the way. You're going to take your pair of scissors. Take your pair of scissors and then just cut it down the side all the way to the tip. Just like that. And now we can use this again over the vaginal opening as a barrier. Super easy.